kind of sweet potatoes that we grew in our garden. This one, first we picked holes in them, and then we put them on a cookie sheeter, and then we put them in the oven. Voila, they're done. How do we know? It's because you poke a hole through them, and when the fork goes all the way through, it's fork tender.
Hi, my name is Chef Keontae, and guess what? We don't use no canned vegetables. We grow our stuff fresh.
And once the cooked potatoes are ready, they're easy to peel.
And we don't waste our peels. We give them to our chickens. Now that our potatoes are peeled, we're gonna mash them up.
Compost, then wash your hands. Your turn. Okay, compost. Now wash your hands. Up here. Yeah. Keep going. Stop. Now pour it inside of the bowl. There you go. Once our batter is all mixed up, we take a big scoop, center in the middle of the pan, and let it fall.
Now it's time to put it in the oven.
Watch your hands, ladies.
Ooh, they look like they're done. The only way you can know if they're ready is if you stick a skewer in it and it comes out clean, they're ready. Bon appetit.